Welcome home. So glad you came out to see this home. This is a remodeled 2-bedroom, 1-bath here in Beverly Hills, which is a central location to a lot of attractions, including Ocala for shopping and Disney World and Orlando for all that Orlando offers besides Disney World. Tampa, the Gulf, we're on the Gulf Coast, and so you can enjoy a lot of water activities. But this is a very economical home, whether you're looking for a vacation property or you're looking for a permanent residence. This one has everything you need and just the right amount of it. So you can see we've got a beautiful open concept, nicely laid out kitchen, new appliances. We've got a nice back sunroom. One of the things I want to point out are these are really good double pane windows. So you're all set there. We've got the garage to the left. I'll take you out there in a minute, but I want to show you the rest of the great features of this home. So, of course, the family room. This is the hallway with the 2 bedrooms and the full bath, tub shower combo, beautifully remodeled. We have the master bedroom. It has a nice closet. And the second bedroom. All of the bedrooms have ceiling fans with lights. Hop out to the garage. The laundry is in the garage. It's good size. You can certainly fit a car into this garage and then also have some space to store some items, or just use it as a storage or utility style garage. There is a back door that goes outside. There's a brand new air conditioner on this home, so you'll stay nice and cool as you navigate the Florida heat. And this is the screened-in back patio. So you can see there's tons of space here for a table, a nice grill area, and then a good-sized yard. We've got a little storage shed for your lawnmower and other yard equipment. And this yard is fully fenced, chain fence, or I should say wire fence, no climb wire. And we've got a gate over here to access from the side of the house. So if you've got those furry loved ones, you've got lots of room here for them to run around and play. So that's it. This is a wonderful option if you're looking for a cozy house that provides all of the things that you need and is economically priced at $140,000. So if you have any interest in this, please reach out to me. Let me know what questions I can answer, and we'll get you in here for a private showing. Ruth Squires, your Realtor on Demand, Keller Williams Realty, RES Luxury Group, White Glove Service, Red Carpet Treatment. It's all in the name. We're not the same. 352-794-1426. Have a great day.